Hey there, I'm Daniel, and I am a software and systems architect located in Portland, Oregon, USA. At GSAS, I'll be leading the workshop on designing and implementing a modern distributed system that will use an event-driven architecture. So by day, I'm the CTO at StreamDell, and we are an open source company that focuses on improving data quality. And by night, I'm a backend engineer with about 20 years of tech experience, most of which has been spent working in high throughput environments. But let's talk about why I am doing this workshop. So, throughout my career, I have worked with many highly diverse system architectures, and by far the most complex systems are usually EDA based. There are many reasons for this, but for starters, well, EDA lacks practical recent implementation guides, and well, adopting EDA involves a non-trivial mindset shift. Plus, you also need to adopt new software patterns. You also need to choose and operate new components that will be possibly used for the event bus. You need to figure out distributed state, elastic storage, and well, the list keeps on going on. So this brings me to my workshop. So during the workshop, we will really demystify EDA. We will design and deploy a complete EDA-based distributed system, and we will write an EDA-friendly service. The workshop will be split into two parts, a high-level part and a hands-on part. During the high-level portion, you will learn what a distributed system with EDA looks like and how EDA will affect your design decisions. While during the hands-on part, we will be a bit more practical. We will design, build, and deploy a fully working distributed system to a local Kubernetes cluster. So, upon completing the workshop, you will walk away with a solid understanding of what is involved in building and maintaining an EDA-based distributed system. You will learn about the common pitfalls, best practices, and really, most importantly, you'll be able to definitively answer whether your organization is ready to take the leap to EDA. All right, that's it. See you in October.